If you are trying to sell on Amazon in this time, one of the fastest way to get the ahead is learning what your competitors are already doing right. Not by guessing, but by actually seeing the exact keyword they rank for. And that's exactly what Helium10 Cerebro does. Today we will talk about how Cerebro lets you spy on competitor keyword like a pro and how to use it in a simple way and how it help you to make smarter listing and PPC decision without the guesswork. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make online tools simple so your business runs smoother and you waste less time. If that sounds useful, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description or the pin comment for special deals and the free trial for Helium 10. Alright, so let's first what is the Cerebro is. Think of Cerebro like a magnifying glass for any product on Amazon. You can take a product ASIN ID, that a little Amazon ID, and you can just drop it on the Cerebro here, and it returns a list of keyword that product is ranking for, not guessing the real keyword. You get search volume estimate, the competing rank, and often the long tail phrases that actually buyers used. This is good because you stop guessing what works and start copying what actually bring traffic. Now let's walk through a basic beginner friendly way to use it. Step 1 is pick the competitor who is already selling the similar product and getting consistent sales. So don't pick the biggest brand if you are new. Pick a solid mid level of seller who looks like someone you can realistically compete with. And step 2 is paste their ASIN or the link from the product. So just copy this and go to your Cerebro and just paste it here. So in a second, you will see a big list of the keyword and you will notice the pattern, the words that repeat, the longer phrases and how many people search them each month. Step 3 is the filtering. So just check the competition product and the search volume and research it by yourself. And you are looking it for a sweet spot where traffic meet the opportunity. One thing beginner love is Cerebro's the ability to reverse assign data. So that means you are seeing the real terms of a product rank for, like including those longer questions like the phrases people type these days. That help you to build the better title, the bullet point, and the backend keyword that match the real search. And when you add those good keyword into your listing, Amazon search system starts to understand your product better, which can slowly improve the visibility and the clicks. Cerebro is also super helpful for PPC. Instead of the throwing budget or the random keyword, you can take the high performing keyword from Cerebro and use them in your ad campaign. And start with a few that looks promising, run the small test, and then scale the ones that convert. So this saves ad money and speed up the learning because you are testing the word that already proved they work for someone else. Now a couple of quick tips so you don't get lost. First, don't copy everything you see. Use the Cerebro to build a focus list, maybe 20 or 50 priority keyword, and then just pick the best 5 to 10 target first. Second thing is always check the keyword intent. Some keyword bring the browsers and other bring buyer. Now look at the product pages which is ranking for the keyword and are the actual sellers with the reviews and sales or just low quality listing. So choose the keyword that shows buyer intent. Third thing is remember to update your list every few weeks. Amazon trends shift and what worked last month might change. So keep checking Cerebro to stay current. So what's the bottom line? Cerebro turns competitor research from the guesswork into the data-driven strategy. It helps you to find real keyword, pick the one that give you a real chance to rank, and build the better listing and smarter ads without wasting money. For beginners who want to move faster and make decisions that actually matter, Cerebro is one of the most have tools for them. If you want to try Helium 10 or the Cerebro, so just take the link in the description, you will get that. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.